Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about machine reference model. Introduction. The machine reference model is a conceptual framework that provides a high level view of the functional components of a computer system. So this is mainly a conceptual framework that provides a high level view of the functional components. It defines a layered approach to understanding the interaction between the hardware and software components that make up a computer system. So, this mainly helps in understanding the interaction between hardware and software components that make up a computer system. The machine reference model is useful tool for computer architects, programmers, and system administrators because it allows them to understand the relationship between the different layers of computer system and optimize performance, reliability, and security. So this model is useful for computer architects, programmers, and system administrators as it helps in understanding the relationship between different layers of the computer system. By understanding this model, computer professionals can develop, design, and manage computer system more effectively and efficiently. Physical components. Here are some physical components. Firstly, central processing unit, which is also called as CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer and it performs all the arithmetic and logical operations which are required to execute instructions. Memory. Memory, also known as RAM, random access memory, is a component that stores data and program instructions temporarily while they are being used by the CPU. RAM, which is also called as random access memory, this stores the data and instructions temporarily in it, which are being used by the CPU while execution. Storage device. Storage devices such as hard disk drives and solid state drives, which is also called SSD, and hard disk drive is also called as HDD, are used to store data and programs permanently. In RAM, the data and programs are stored temporarily, but in storage devices, all the data and programs are stored permanently. Input output devices. Input output devices allow the computer to communicate with the outside world. These are the devices which help computer to communicate with the outside world. Some of the examples are keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, and network cards. System bus. The system bus is a set of electrical pathway that connects the different hardware components of the computer, allowing them to communicate with each other. So, system bus is a set of electrical paths that connects the different hardware components and it also allows them to communicate with each other. Logical components. Here are some 5 logical components. Logical components are also called as layers of the machine reference model. Firstly, hardware. The hardware components of the machine reference model is responsible for executing instructions and storing and retrieving data. In hardware components, we can store, execute, and retrieve the data. It includes components such as CPU, memory, storage device, and input-output devices. Firmware. Firmware, it is a low-level software that provides a set of instructions for the hardware components of the computer. It provides it is a low-level software and it provides set of instructions for hardware components. It is responsible for initializing and configuring the hardware components during boot up process. So it helps in initializing and configuring hardware components during boot up process. Middleware. Middleware is a software that connects different software applications and components, allowing them to communicate with each other. The main role of middleware is to connect different software applications and components, and it allows them to communicate with each other. Some example of middleware software includes database management system, web servers, and messaging middleware. Application software. Application software is software that performs specific tasks for the user, such as word processing, browsing, or email. So, application software, it is a software that performs a specific task for the users. It only performs specific tasks for the user which are being asked by the user, such as word processing, web browsing, or email. Operating system. The operating system is a software layer that manages the computer's hardware resources and provides a platform for running application program. So operating system mainly provides a platform for running application software. So it is a software layer that manages computers hardware resources. Next, why machine reference model is important. The machine reference model is important because it provides a common framework for understanding how the computer system works and how their various common components interact with each other. Some specific reasons are providing a structured approach to system design. It enables efficient system management, standardized system architecture, supports system performance optimization, provides common language. Here are some of the examples of a machine reference model. Some are operating system design, embedded system design, cloud computing, computer network design, computer architecture, system integration, software development. Finally, conclusion. The machine reference model is a conceptual framework. The model is used extensively in designing, development, and management of computer systems and networks in various areas of computer science and engineering. The machine reference model plays a vital role in development and management of computer systems, providing a common understanding and framework for computer professionals to work together effectively and efficiently. Thank you.